Our new VADANIA Soft Close 3-fold sliders are designed to protect your drawers and prevent pinching. Made from quality metal, our sliders feature a 100-pound load capacity and ensure your drawers ease into closure, preventing damage to you or your valuables. The 3-fold extension allows for a higher load capacity, featuring metal ball bearings for a quiet and comfortable closure and a dark, discreet color that blends into most drawers. VADANIA Soft Close sliders are easy to install. Separate the slider for installation and drill into place on each side of the drawer. Simply use the provided screws to mount the slider on each side of the drawer. You'll need equal drill points on each side of the drawer as well as the drawer housing. With your drawers installed, the sliders will be safe to use. Enjoy the ability to close drawers with a more smooth and complete motion. Your drawers are now protected and hands kept safe from hard closure with the VADANIA Soft Close sliders.